Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sezzle at Amazon. First, you have to go to amazon.com and select the product you want to buy. For example, I'm going to select this headphone. So click on this headphones title. And from here, you can add this to your cart or you can buy now this product. Click on buy now button. Remember, you must stay signed in to your Amazon account. After clicking on buy now button, you will redirect it to the Amazon's checkout page. From here, you can enter your delivery address and payment method. Now you have to go to your Sezzle app and go to Sezzle virtual cart section, and from here you have to note the card number, CVV number and expiration date of your Sezzle virtual card. With these details, you can purchase the product from Amazon Marketplace. But make sure you have enough fund available in your Sezzle account. Now, click on this payment method and click on this change, and from here you can add a credit card or debit card. Click on this button and you can add your Sezzle virtual credit card with the details, these credentials that are card number, CVV and expiration date. Then enter the details, required details perfectly and correctly for adding Sezzle virtual card as a payment method. Then click on this place your order and pay. Check your delivery address and payment method twice and the details of your card for avoiding any type of mistakes and hassles. After place your order and the complete of purchase process, you will get a confirmation message from both Amazon and Sezzle platform. Sezzle might ask you to confirm this purchasing process. You just need to confirm that's you who is purchasing this product with Sezzle virtual card. There you have it. Hope you learn how to use Sezzle at Amazon. And if you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.